Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Can Shiba Inu reach $5 by 2024? Shiba Inu gained around 46 million % in 2021. Is an encore performance in the works? Dating back more than a century, no asset class has more consistently made investors richer than the stock market. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will grow Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Even though stocks occasionally underperform bonds, commodities, and housing, none of these asset classes comes close to matching the long-term average annual return of the broader market. But things change drastically if you're just looking at the performance of asset classes over the past couple of years. Since the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic bottom, cryptocurrencies have run absolute circles around the stock market. Whereas the benchmark S&P 500 has pretty much doubled in 2 years, the aggregate value of all digital currencies is up by more than 1,200% to $1.88 trillion. Though crypto's big two, Bitcoin and Ethereum, get a lot of credit for this surge in digital currency market value, it's the historic increase from meme coin Shiba Inu, 0.37%, that has really dropped jaws. Shiba Inu's 2021 gains were historic. When 2021 began, Shiba Inu was one of seemingly dozens of Shiba Inu-inspired coins looking to capitalize on the craze that pushed Dogecoin significantly higher. But in less than 10 months, these same tokens would rocket as high as 8,841. Visually, it might be difficult to tell the difference between these two tiny numbers, but between January 1st and October 27th of 2021, Shiba Inu ate up 6 zeros after its decimal point and delivered a peak intra-year gain of around 121 million %. In other words, an investment of $1 at midnight on January 1st, 2021 could have made a patient, lucky investor a millionaire. When the curtain closed on 2021, SHIB tokens gained in the neighborhood of 46 million %. It's a far cry from 121 million %, but it's likely the biggest single-year gain we may ever witness from an investment perspective. As I've previously pointed out, Shiba Inu's historic run was primarily a function of increased visibility in crypto market dynamics. In terms of the former, SHIB benefited immensely from being listed on numerous new exchanges last year. Additionally, the launch of decentralized exchange ShibaSwap in July 2021 helped to improve liquidity and allowed holders to stake their coins. Since October, the median hold period of SHIB on crypto exchange Coinbase has soared from 6 days to 101 days. As for crypto market dynamics, investors should understand that it's a lot easier to purchase derivatives, e.g., put options on or short sell a publicly traded stock than it is to bet against a high-flying but lesser-known digital currency. With minimal avenues to bet against cryptocurrencies not named Bitcoin, an inherent buy bias helped Shiba Inu. Can Shiba Inu hit $1 by mid-decade? With Shiba Inu absolutely crushing it last year, its holders and social media supporters are hoping for an encore performance. In fact, some even believe it could eventually make a run to $1 per token. The big question is, can Shiba Inu reach $1, perhaps by the midpoint of the decade? Before I dive into my view, let's examine the multiple catalysts that would be needed to push SHIB from microscopic fractions of a penny to parity with the US dollar by 2025. To begin with, the public launch of Layer 2 blockchain solution Shibarium needs to occur sooner than later and go off without a hitch. The purpose of Shibarium is to significantly drive down transaction fees involving SHIB tokens. Pushing fees lower will not only make SHIB a more attractive payment option for merchants, but it's also the key step to fueling blockchain-based gaming. At the moment, Shibarium is being tested privately. The next core catalyst is the development and launch of non-fungible token, NFT-based gaming. Although we've already witnessed a handful of blockchain-based games generating significant revenue, Shiba Inu can't launch gaming until Shibarium can be trusted to substantially bring down transaction fees. Once Shibarium is publicly launched, NFT marketplaces can thrive. Developers recently announced their intention to sell digital plots of land, known as Shiba Lands, in Shiba Inu's own version of the metaverse. Once again, this is all dependent on slashing transaction fees. Finally, there would need to be some significant coin burn. When Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin sent more than 410 trillion SHIB to a dead blockchain address, it removed approximately 41% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. Large chunks of coins will need to be taken out of circulation over the next 4 years to really give SHIB some upward momentum. Being sent to the doghouse is more likely than $1 by 2025. If the cryptocurrency space has demonstrated anything, it's that nothing is impossible. But the chance of Shiba Inu hitting $1 by 2025 is so microscopically small in my view that I'd call it virtually impossible. For starters, a $1 target on SHIB would produce a laughably high market value of $549 trillion, based on Shiba Inu's roughly 549 trillion outstanding tokens. That would be equivalent to 203 times the market value of Apple, a company that produced $112.2 billion in operating income over the trailing 12 months. It would also be a valuation of close to 6 times global gross domestic product. Not even in the wildest of wild scenarios can I see a digital token being worth 6 times the total market value of all goods and services on the planet in a given year. To build on this idea, Shiba Inu's benefit from coin burn is largely in the rearview mirror. Even with some businesses burning a small portion of the SHIB they receive, and future events promising to reduce the circulating supply, a massive amount of coins are still in circulating supply. This makes reaching $1, or even 1 cent for that matter, pretty much impossible. Another problem Shiba Inu will run into is its lack of differentiation and competitive advantages. Early October saw Shiba Inu slip and drop to lower prices. It found support at the 010 price level and even dipped below this support on multiple occasions. However, fast forward to the present and SHIB has not been left behind during the latest bull run. SHIB rallied by as much as 55% from its lower range to its new monthly high of 1519. This bullish correction was notably much sharper than its July bounce. Many traders might interpret this as a sign that it might be the start of another continuous bullish uptrend. Unfortunately, the highly unpredictable nature of the market can make it difficult to determine whether a trend will continue or not. Why SHIB might deliver some downside. Shiba Inu's longer-term outlook still depended heavily on the bulls. However, the dog-themed token might not be done with the lower range. SHIB 1254 press time price meant that it had already pulled back by as much as 17% from its current monthly top. One of the potential reasons for the sell pressure it recently experienced could be that it was overbought according to the Relative Strength Index, RSI. Furthermore, a sharp uptick is often followed by some retracement due to profit taking by those that bought the bottom. SHIB performance in the last 24 hours also confirmed the sell pressure, and the price was no longer in overbought territory. The Money Flow Index, MFI, also indicated some outflows. This also meant some more downside might be on the way. If this was the case, then short sellers stood to secure some more profits and the price could revert to the lower range near the 011 level. A look at SHIB supply distribution revealed that some of the top addresses, whales, had been selling. Addresses holding between 1 million and 10 million Shiba Inu coin aggressively reduced their balances in the last 2 days. The largest whale category maintained a steady balance. Both the weighted sentiment and the FTX funding rates also dropped after the strong rally last week. This confirmed that demand in the spot and derivatives market dropped in the last 2 days, thus paving the way for more sell pressure. Now that Shiba Inu sell pressure managed to resume, a look at exchange balances may reveal the level of sell pressure that investors should expect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.